Hey there folks, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my secret weapon always works Scottish tablet recipe. If you like tablet, you will love this. No ifs, no buts, you will love this recipe. Make it. Go and see the stuff down below, go and buy them, go make it. This recipe, I love it because when you make it, follow it exactly, it works, never had an issue. So that's it. Secret weapon, you'll see what those are as we go through, but it gives a lovely flavour, gives a lovely taste, and it's a little bit different from what you expect from tablet, but not massively in the flavour front, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So let's crack on and do this. So first things first, line a baking tray with greaseproof paper just so that your tablet's got something to help it get out of the tin. You don't need to watch this in slow-mo, so let's do it nice and fast. So to start with, we're looking for 125 grams of butter, so that's half a block of butter, 125 grams. So really early on, you're going to see my main secret weapon, smoked paprika. We're looking for half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. It just gives a nice touch to the flavour. It's subtle, not overpowering, but it really enhances your tablet. And also half a teaspoon of salt. Next up, we're going to measure out 250 millilitres of milk. Now for this, I really like using nut milks, hazelnut being my favourite. Again, it just adds a slight variance to the flavour of your tablet, but if you wish, you can still use dairy milk instead. Go for a full fat dairy milk, but otherwise the hazel milk, gorgeous, it just adds something. This being tablet, we're going to need a little bit of sugar. Yup, a full kilogram of sugar. We're also going to require 1 tin of condensed milk, so before we start cooking, get your tin opener and take the lid off it just so it's ready to use when required. If anybody knows a vegan alternative to this that works well, stick it down in the comments and let everybody know. If you own one that's suitable for the job, set a digital thermometer to 115 degrees Celsius, 115 degrees Celsius. Or if you want, use a sugar thermometer. So first things first, melt your butter at a medium-high heat in a heavy base saucepan, the largest you have, or if you've got one, a stock pot. This one's probably a bit large, this stock pot, but it's just to help protect your hands from the tablet, because when it sparks and it lands on your skin, it's going to burn like heck. It's hot sugar, it's sticky, we don't want that, so protect yourselves. So once the butter's melted, we're going to add our sugar, our salt, our smoked paprika, or different spice if you look through the recipe, as I do give you different options, and our milk, and we're going to bring that to the boil on a medium-high heat. Then for the next 8 minutes we're going to simmer away, keeping it at the same heat. So it does take a little bit of time for your tablet to come to the boil, and it's important that you keep it moving just so it doesn't stick. I know some people, when they make tablet, allow the mixture to stick. I don't, and this always works. So as far as I'm concerned, it's important that you keep moving it around and keeping it from sticking. So just keep stirring it as you go, but just be careful for sparks. As I've mentioned already, it's molten sugar, you don't want it on your skin, so keep your hand well away. So there we go, as we can see, it's now properly at the boil. This is what we're looking for, and when we see this, start your clock, and for 8 minutes, keep moving it. You should be moving it prior to that, but now, this is the most important point, keep moving it around for your full 8 minutes. As your clock ticks down, you will see it starting to thicken up like this and start to get a bit more aerated. That is exactly what we're looking for. Again, keep stirring it, don't let it catch. I know other people allow theirs to catch and don't seem to worry about that. I do. It's better this way in my personal opinion. So when your mixture is like this, where it's all thickened, there's a little bit of darkening going on, it's still bubbling away quite furiously. 8 minutes should have passed. Might vary slightly depending on your hob, so play it by ear a little, but you're going to add your condensed milk. So always scrape a little bit off the lid as well, just because you don't want wastage. So want to condensed milk in there. We're going to turn our heat down just a little, so Halfway sort of point, medium, low, low, medium. I don't really know how to define it personally, but we're going to turn it down a wee bit, but we still want the simmer effect, and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes from this point onwards. As long as you've still got a few bubbles coming up, you can see them just simmering away, you know you've got your temperature right. Now, near the end of this 15 minutes, we're going to want to get our thermometer into the tablet as well, but again, keep it moving. We don't want catching, just keep everything going round that pan whilst keeping your hand well clear of any potential sparks. Blink and you'll miss it, but I was showing that you can use a sugar thermometer there, or as I'm using the probe thermometer, the digital one, but there was a quick flash and it was gone of the sugar thermometer that you can also use. And it's worth repeating, try not let your tablet mixture catch. As you can see, there is some catching happening down there, but we don't want it to happen, so we try and minimise it. So keep it moving, particularly in the centre of your pan where it's hottest, and just be careful once again of any splashes getting on your hands, because it's hot, sticky sugar and it's going to hurt. Now that the 15 minutes are over, as soon as it reaches 115 degrees Celsius, remove the mixture from the heat, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla or other liquid flavouring if you're using something else, whisk it and then pour it into the tray. Use a nice big spatula to help pour it in and move it around, and we're looking for a nice even levelling. And then if you want, take it and thump it up and down on top of your worktop just to help with the levelling. Let the tablet cool now for around 20 minutes, and once your 20 minutes has passed, you're going to get yourself a knife and you're going to score the tablet, lines across it, right through it. Don't blunt your knife obviously, but cut right through it, as it's still not completely solid, but it's solidified enough to allow you to get the shapes into exactly as you see myself doing here. If you do know how to sharpen your knives and you sharpen your knives a lot, well, feel free to go really right into it, but we want to cut it down as best as possible. And assuming you have strong enough willpower, you need to leave the tablet to cool overnight just so that the sugars crystallise and get nice and hard. Following morning, you can then take and break it up very easily thanks to the scores that we've already put in the tablet. As you can see, there's still some bits there that are held together, but you get nice clean snaps due to those scores. And it's then time for you to really enjoy it. So that's us, tablet made. I've got two versions, I'll only show you me making one. I have paprika and I have normal, just plain vanilla. Melts in the mouth. It's gone, just melts in the mouth, it's gorgeous. Love this stuff. Obviously not very good for you, it's almost pure sugar, but I love it. Make it with paprika, you'll not regret doing it. The paprika just gives that little hint. You don't want to put too much in it, so just that half teaspoon I think it is I put in, I can't remember now. The half teaspoon of paprika really gives you flavour, but you can also give other interesting flavours. You can do cinnamon, you can do nutmeg, you can do orange, mint, various different ones you can add in with or instead of the vanilla. I'll put the list below in the description of the recipe, but the paprika one is to die for. It's gorgeous. If you're going to do the extras, do the paprika one first. So thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the like button. If you're going to subscribe, hope you have done already, and thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe.